got a little water to shoot. So good down the red, so you need to get the other end, please.
Hellcat 16, pulley, supercharger 279, went with a 2.7 Demon supercharger. Other than that, just injectors, straight 85, nothing with transmission, got drive shaft, and I can end links. I just bought a set of Demon axles, but I'm still on stock axles. Oh yeah. Got 75,000 miles on it. I drive this thing to work every day. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's all I do. Mine drives around. She drove the other day in town. Somebody revved up the side of her 40. She nailed the gas and said the ass end started smoking. I'm like, you can't do this on the street. I said, play with the truck if you want to. I got a little 5.7 Hemi truck. Mess with that. Yeah. She told me, she's like it's said jump 40 miles an hour up to 90, and she hadn't even made it past the red lights yet. I'm like, no. I told her, do I need to get a black key and put it in valet mode? Yeah, we checked them before leaving the pits. We're at 19.4 on both rears. I think Don was at 19. I think these are the last ones of the 9s, aren't they? These right here? These are the last of the 9? Yeah.
Good enough for the win. 1050. Back in the lanes, sparing, please. 1050 to the lanes. 1050 to the lanes, please. Tear it up. 1050.
index 10.0, engine temp 185, I'm sorry, engine coolant temp 185, trans 163, intercooler 102, intake 130. Going up for the burnout.
So get us 6 cars.
Started recording.